Hello guys, this video will show you various ways you can use Plasticity's cut command. So let's say for example I create a box and I do some things with it. So I press O, and then press E. Alright, so a very cool thing you can do guys is that you can select, you can press C to activate cut and then select the surface. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and use this surface and kind of infinitely project it and cut away using that surface, guys. So, for example, what I probably want to do is I want to go ahead and do it on this side and then kind of mirror it over. One thing that we left behind, guys, is though we have these fragments. And so if I press F and then DE, delete redundant topology. You can also set this to a hotkey, of course, by right-clicking and then assign shortcut. Or you can just go ahead and click on that, and there you go. Another example of that is, let's say I create a cylinder, and I will go ahead and select this. And I'll go ahead, I'm going to split that up, so press C, select this. This will be left, so FDE, delete redundant topology. I can go ahead and let's say apply a different color, or let's say I make this a different color. Alright, now I can go ahead and select this and then Alt X, Y, there we go. Let's say for example I can also press C, select this face, now I have a separate object right here. So I think it's a very fun tool for that. Now of course one of the best things you can do is you press Control Space, you can go into, it's going to use your current view as a temporary plane. You can now go ahead and Shift A, for example, to create a line. I can now select this, press C, and use this to cut away. It's now a separate object right here. Alright. One thing to know, guys, is that if this does not work, you can go ahead and, let's say for example you're trying to cut this from this angle, and it's just going to go ahead like this because this is what it remembers. But if you press control space here and you press C, then you select that, you notice it does not work. But there's a new option here with new version of Plasticity called Extend. If you click that, it's actually going to extend this right here, guys. As you can see, it now works. So just to demonstrate once more, you can see we do have a line here. Normally you have to press GG and then kind of move it like this to do that. Or you have to go ahead and select this vertex and press F, EX to extend it, right? But now you can go ahead and press C, and you see it doesn't work. You have the little red screen, but if you click on Extend, it now works. Alright. And one more way that we can use this, guys, is let's say I create a sphere. I will Shift D and subtract. Let's say I create a cylinder. I'll press B to make a new object. Alright, let's say I want to make this cylinder exactly flush with this surface. Well, how do I do that? I mean, I can kind of do this. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Well, here's what you do. You go ahead and move it like this. Then you select the cylinder. You press C. You select the surface. And as you can see, guys, it cuts away perfectly. It may look a little bit strange here, guys, but if we QQ together, it gets rid of that. I can actually just Shift D, V, set up a custom pivot right here. And just like that, guys, you have this very nice pristine result. Alright guys, that's 3 uses of the cut tool. Let me know in the comments guys if you know any more. Thank you for watching and take care.